All right, welcome to another deep dive. This time we're going to be tackling something I think a lot of people dream about, making money online.
Oh, yeah.
But not just any old way. We're looking at a specific platform called Hotmart. You ever heard of this?
I have, yeah. It's a
Yeah.
platform where people can sell digital courses
Okay.
or what they call info products.
Info products, interesting.
And so you're really diving into the world of affiliate marketing,
Okay.
which means you are going to promote those courses and earn a commission when someone buys through your link,
Got it.
your unique link.
So essentially we are becoming salespeople for other people's products.
That's right.
But our source material for today's deep dive is a YouTube video promising a cool $1,000 a week on Hotmart.
Wow.
Now that sounds amazing,
That's a lot.
but also a little like those get-rich-quick schemes
Yeah.
we see all the time online, right?
It's healthy to be a little skeptical when you see those promises because we see them all the time.
Oh.
But even if that exact number is a marketing tactic,
Right,
there are definitely legitimate ways to earn money online.
for sure.
What's important is separating the hype from the actual strategies involved.
Okay.
And that's what we are here to do today for you.
All right, I am ready to unpack this.
Yeah.
So the video lays out a 4-step process,
Okay.
and it all starts with getting started on Hotmart itself.
Okay.
And they claim it's super simple.
Okay.
Just your name,
Uh-huh.
an email address,
Yeah.
and a bank account to receive those potential earnings.
Yeah, that low barrier to entry is what makes platforms like Hotmart so appealing.
Right.
You don't need a ton of money up front to become an affiliate.
It's pretty accessible.
It's open to almost anyone.
Got it. So step 1 seems pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
But then comes step 2,
Okay.
choosing your niche and the products you want to promote.
Right.
Now, the video really emphasizes picking something you are actually interested in.
Yes.
Why is that so important?
Right. Well, think about it this way. If you're passionate about a topic, you're more likely to research it thoroughly,
Right.
understand the nuances,
Yeah.
and communicate authentically about it.
Yeah.
And that builds trust with your audience.
Yeah.
And trust is absolutely key when you're recommending a product.
I can see how genuine enthusiasm would be way more convincing
Yes.
than some, like, forced sales pitch.
Right. Exactly.
The video actually gives us 7
Yep.
hot niches.
Yeah.
They are
Well, yeah.
culinary and gastronomy,
Okay.
health and sports,
Right.
business and career,
Uh-huh.
digital marketing,
Got it.
fashion and beauty, personal development,
Okay.
and finance and investments.
What's interesting about those specific niches is that those are all areas where people are constantly looking to improve themselves or their skills.
Yeah.
They want to learn how to cook better, get in shape,
Right.
advance their careers, or manage their finances better.
So there are things that people are actively searching for information about.
This tells us that these niches are tapping into broader consumer demand for personal and professional development.
So it's not just about picking something you're interested in.
Yeah,
It's also about understanding what people are already searching for.
exactly.
Okay, so Hotmart actually has a hot products feature
They do.
that shows you what's currently selling well,
That's right.
which, again, taking some of the guesswork out of it.
It gives you data-driven insight into where the demand is,
Right.
which can increase your chances of success as an affiliate.
So now we've found our niche.
Okay.
We have to choose specific courses to promote.
Right.
And the video talks about sales funnels being important here.
Yes.
What exactly does that mean?
Imagine a funnel, wide at the top, narrow at the bottom.
Okay.
A sales funnel guides potential customers through a series of steps,
Okay.
from initial awareness of a problem to the ultimate decision to purchase a solution.
Okay. I'm picturing it,
Yeah.
but how does that relate to choosing courses?
Well, some courses will have well-designed sales funnels
Okay.
that lead to higher conversion rates, meaning more people who click your link actually end up buying the course.
Gotcha.
One example from the video is the Rito de Transformation Initial Course, which seems to have a very effective funnel.
So it's not just about picking a popular course.
Right.
It's also about evaluating how well it's being marketed.
Precisely.
You want to promote courses that are actually set up to succeed.
That's right. You're essentially a salesperson.
Yeah.
So it's in your best interest to choose products that have a proven track record of selling.
Okay.
And another thing that the video highlights is checking the course ratings.
Right.
Why do you think that's important?
Well, you don't want to recommend something that's low quality
Right.
that would damage your credibility,
Exactly.
make people less likely to trust your recommendations in the future.
Even though you're not creating the product yourself,
Yeah.
your reputation is still on the line as an affiliate. Choosing courses with good ratings shows that you've done your research and that you genuinely believe in what you're promoting.
So let me just recap what we've learned so far.
Okay.
Step 1, sign up for Hotmart. Easy.
Yep.
Step 2, pick a niche based on your interests and where there's actual demand.
That's right.
Then choose specific courses to promote, looking at things like the sales funnels and the ratings to make sure that they're high quality and likely to convert into actual sales.
You got it. That's a great summary of the first 2 steps.
Awesome.
But now comes the big question. How do you actually promote these courses and get people to buy them? Especially if you're starting from scratch without a huge following.
Right.
That's what we'll delve into next.
I am ready.
Okay.
So we've got our Hotmart account all set up. We've found our niche that we're super excited about. And we even found like top-rated courses with really good sales funnels.
Yeah.
But now it's like, okay, how do we actually get people to buy these courses through our links?
Right.
Where do we even begin? Especially if we're starting from zero. Like, we don't have a massive social media following or anything like that.
Well, that's where things get a little bit strategic.
Okay.
The video actually addresses this head on, and it suggests you tap into existing online communities. Think Reddit, Facebook groups, Quora, places where people are already talking about the topics that you are passionate about.
Oh, so instead of like shouting into the void, we're finding places where people are already.
Yeah, you're going where the people already are.
Interested in what we have to say.
Exactly. Target your efforts.
Okay.
Instead of just trying to reach everyone.
Makes sense.
The video gives a specific example, searching Facebook groups for manejo de redes sociales, which means social media management. They recommend looking for groups with, lots of active discussions and a really welcoming atmosphere.
So now we found a group.
Yeah.
But just barging in with a sales pitch is just going to make people...
Yeah, you can't ignore us or kick us out.
Right. You can't just drop your link.
Yeah.
You've got to provide value.
Right.
Build those genuine connections.
Okay.
Instead of, like I said, just dropping your affiliate link, share helpful tips, answer questions, participate in discussions authentically.
Yeah.
The goal is to position yourself as a resource, someone who genuinely wants to help others.
I can see how that takes a lot of time and effort.
It does.
Is there a way we can streamline this process at all?
Absolutely.
Because I know the video mentions AI tools.
Yes.
Could those help at all?
AI tools like ChatGPT can be so incredibly helpful for crafting compelling marketing messages that resonate with your target audience. For instance, the video shows an example of a message promoting a course on living off social media.
And notice how it really focuses on the benefits and the solutions the course offers, instead of just being a hard sell.
Right. It's not just buy my thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's about sparking that curiosity and starting a conversation.
Okay, I see. Yeah, that's a much softer approach.
Exactly.
But doesn't using AI make it feel less authentic?
That's a valid concern.
Yeah.
While AI can be a great tool for generating ideas and refining your messaging, it's crucial that you maintain your authenticity.
Right.
Don't just copy and paste AI-generated content blindly.
Okay, so it's more about using AI as a starting point and then putting our own spin on it.
Exactly. Yeah. Make sure the information that you're sharing is accurate, aligns with your values, and genuinely reflects your understanding of the course you are promoting.
Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better.
Good.
So let's say we've got our messaging down, we're making these connections in these online communities.
Yeah.
What's the next step in this Hotmart journey?
All right, according to the video, it's time to leverage the power of Telegram.
Oh, okay, Telegram.
Have you ever used Telegram?
I've heard of it,
okay,
but haven't really explored it.
So Telegram is a messaging app.
Okay.
But it's also a really powerful platform for building communities.
Oh, okay.
It lets you create these dedicated groups for specific niches.
Okay.
Where you can foster deeper engagement.
Got it.
And connect with potential customers in a more focused way.
So it's like having your own little corner of the internet.
Exactly.
Where you can just talk to people who are really interested in your niche.
Precisely. The video suggests creating separate Telegram groups for each niche you are targeting.
Oh.
And this allows you to tailor your content and your discussions to the specific interests of each group.
That makes sense, but running a Telegram group sounds like a lot of work.
It can be.
Like, do we have to be glued to our phones 24/7 away, answering questions, keeping the conversation going?
The video actually offers 2 different approaches. You can manage the group solo, potentially with the help of AI to provide information and answer some basic questions.
Okay.
Or you can partner with an expert in your niche to co-manage the group.
Partnering with an expert sounds like a really good idea.
It can be a win-win situation.
Yeah.
The expert gets a platform to share their expertise and potentially gain new clients,
Right.
while you benefit from their credibility and the valuable content that they can contribute.
And then the video gives that really heartwarming real-world example of partnering with a nail technician to promote a nail art course. And it was a huge success.
It was.
Because it actually works.
Yeah, these strategies aren't just abstract ideas.
Right.
They can lead to really tangible results.
That's really cool. But even with an expert on board, I feel like managing a Telegram group would still be so time-consuming.
Right. Well, this is where the video's emphasis on authenticity comes back into play.
Okay.
You don't have to be constantly creating new content or answering every single question.
Okay.
Focus on fostering genuine discussions. Yeah.
Sharing valuable insights and building relationships with your members.
So quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you consistently provide value and create a supportive community, people will be more likely to stick around, engage with your content, and ultimately trust your recommendations enough to purchase the courses that you are promoting.
Awesome. Wow, we've covered so much in this deep dive already.
We have.
I feel like we could do a whole other deep dive just on each one of these individual steps.
Right.
We've learned how to get started on Hotmart, pick a niche, choose courses to promote, and build a Telegram community.
Exactly.
But the video hints at something else that's really crucial for success, and it's mindset.
Oh, yeah.
What exactly do they mean by that?
Yeah, so it's all about your attitude, your beliefs,
Okay.
and your ability to stay focused and motivated even when things get tough, right?
Yeah.
The video mentions that building an online income stream takes time, effort, consistent action.
This is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yeah, we've definitely seen that throughout this whole process.
Right.
That this is not clicking a few buttons and then magically the money appears.
No magic button, unfortunately.
Right, this is real work.
It is, and there will inevitably be challenges along the way.
Oh, for sure.
You know, you might hit a plateau in your earnings.
Okay.
You might struggle to grow your Telegram group. You might even face rejection from potential customers.
Yeah.
It's during those times that your mindset is really going to make all the difference.
Okay, so it's about having that resilience to keep going even when it's not easy.
Exactly. If you believe in yourself, if you believe in your vision and in the value that you are providing, you're much more likely to persevere and ultimately achieve your goals.
Okay, that makes sense.
The video doesn't dive super deep into like specific mindset techniques, but it does emphasize the importance of staying positive and surrounding yourself with supportive people.
Yeah, I can see how if you're constantly doubting yourself.
Yeah, you're not going to get anything.
Or listening to naysayers.
Right.
It's going to be hard to keep going.
Exactly.
So find your tribe. People who believe in you.
Yes, your biggest cheerleaders.
And what you're doing.
Exactly.
Lean on them
for
support when you need it.
Absolutely.
And don't be afraid to seek inspiration from others who have already achieved success.
Find mentors.
Yeah, like virtual mentors.
Exactly.
Read their stories, listen to their podcasts, learn from them.
Yeah, that's a great way to do it.
And mindset is not a fixed trait.
That's so true.
It's something we can work on and improve.
You can absolutely develop it and strengthen it over time.
Exactly. There are tons of resources out there. Books, courses, even apps.
That's right.
So if you're feeling discouraged, don't give up.
Yeah, don't give up.
There are ways to build that unshakable belief in yourself.
Absolutely.
And in your ability to succeed.
And here's the final thought for you.
Okay.
The skills and mindset you develop while building an online income stream can benefit you in countless other areas of your life.
Oh, that's so true.
You're learning about marketing, sales, community building, and most importantly, how to persevere through challenges and achieve your goals.
It's bigger than just making money.
It is.
It's about developing as a person.
Those are really invaluable life skills.
Yeah, so this deep dive started with a YouTube video that promised to teach us how to make $1,000 a week on Hotmart.
That's right.
And that might just be a marketing tactic.
Yeah, it's a good hook.
But what we uncovered was a roadmap.
A whole roadmap.
For building a business online.
Yes.
Developing valuable skills. And cultivating a success-oriented mindset.
Who knows? Maybe you'll discover hidden talents and passions along the way that you never even knew you had.
It's exciting.
It is.
So what are you waiting for?
Yeah.
Go explore Hotmart, see where this digital adventure takes you.
And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.
I love that.
Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges,
Yeah.
and never stop believing in your potential.
That's a wrap on this deep dive into making money online with Hotmart.
It is.
We hope you got some valuable insights
Yes.
and feel ready to take action.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep diving deep
Into the world of knowledge and ideas.
That's right.